Hi, my name's Thomas Alexander. I'm one of the orthopedic surgeon sports medicine specialists at Optim Orthopedics. So what keeps me coming to work every day is just the ability to try to not only get to meet new people that come in as patients, but help people get back to where they want to be. Having been there myself in situations where you need help, you need assistance, you've got an injury, and your goal is to get back to that level of functioning that you had before. For some people, that level of functioning is just walking to the store. For some people, that's competing at the highest level of competitive sports, but everyone has that desire to get back to where they were before so they can enjoy their life. And that's what we do, whether it's surgery or whether it's just simple rehab, or sometimes it's just giving time and simple medications. The ability to interact with people in a way that you can figure out what their goals are and help them the best of your ability get back and meet those goals and get back on with their life doing what they want.